Pick my laundry up. Ashtray, hey, preach, what up an asterisk. Preach, y'all need to stop using the word an asterisk. You see, it's terms like the word an asterisk that the white man uses to take away the self-esteem of another race. Ashtray, word. Preach, oh yeah. No positive black females. Ashtray, so, will I see you again, Ashtray's mother? Sorry, lady. You know there ain't no positive black females in these movies. Juice in the hood. Loc Dog, either they don't know, don't show, or don't care about being a menace to South Central while drinking your juice in the hood. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Mailman, the F***K is he talking about? 400 years. Preach, I'm just trying to do to white girls what the white man's been doing to us for 400 years. Crazy legs, yeah, what's that? Preach, F***KM. Some sucky-sucky. Loc Dog, how much for this candy bar? Korean woman, das $5 Loc Dog, $5, damn. I better get some sucky-sucky with that, some lovely long-time perch. Are you my daddy?
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.